Good morning, everyone. It's Donna, and this is a little bit different of a video than what I normally do. I am actually holding my phone, and I apologize if it seems to move around or if see the phone shadow like over here. I do apologize. But I'm just trying something a little bit different. I don't know how many of you know I have been making tons and tons of masks for the virus that's going around, and I wear one when I go into stores and things like that. Anyway, in making all of those masks, I have tons of scraps that are actually good size pieces of fabric left over. Like this is one, and I don't want to throw them away. And I was trying to say, hey, what could I do with these? And then I was thinking, this might make it a nice background for a monogram, say, on a towel. And I was thinking, well, what would customers like? Would they like for me to just select something and give them their choice of letter? But I got to thinking, and it's like, well, why not give them a choice of towels? And here I've got three towels. I've got a black one, I've got a red one, and a white one. And the three fabrics that I'm going to show you are either like black and red or black, red, and white theme. And this first one is these little flowers here, and I could see uh, stitching around the applique that's going to have the monogram, and either the gold, the red, you could do black, coral, green. It all depends, and which towel you can let your customer choose. Also, this red and black fabric right here, I think that would look really, really super cool as the background of a frame for a monogram. You could do this and have gold or, you know, white. You could use red or black too, but it wouldn't stand out as much. And then, since I live close to a college town, um, you know, they're really big here, and you could do some kind of little design here and then have the monogram in the center. But this is just a different way of thinking. All of these fabrics would probably look extremely good on this red towel, with the possibility, or with the exception of this one, because the red and the crimson are a little bit, I don't know. I would do it, but I'm not sure if others would. But then again, I'm a big fan. So, but there's these two, as you can kind of see, they look really, really good with this towel. And then let's look at the black towel. And black towels are very, very versatile. You can do Christmas, you can do Halloween, you can do pretty much anything you wanted to with them. But here, would be another color combination, and they all pop against that black. So this is just me, trying to do some potential product development. And you may want to scout out, what the demand is in your area. I know in Oklahoma, monograms are not as popular, say, as they are in the southeast. However, I think they're becoming more so, and every girl likes a good monogram. Don't kid yourself, especially when it's made specifically for you. So I would like your comments. What would you do with these scraps of fabric if you didn't use them for monograms? They're not big enough for me to make a mask out of. And like I said, I just don't want to throw them away. So how do you brainstorm for your new products? Do you think outside the box? I mean, what do you do? Anyway, um, this is just a little brainstorming session. I wanted to share it with you. Maybe it'll give you a couple of ideas, especially if you're trying to start out on an embroidery business and you don't want to necessarily, go with kids' shirts or things like that. It's just, a way that you may want to think about going, or maybe even expanding your own product listings for something like this. Anyway, stay tuned and maybe I'll show you what I come up with, and we will see you later. Bye.